Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to reset YNAB budget using the YNAB mobile application. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open the YNAB application from your app drawer, or you can also open up a web browser and visit the official website for YNAB and log into your account. Once you're signed into the account, from the main homepage, tap on the three dots at the top left corner of the screen. But remember that you must select one of your budgets by tapping on Open Budget and choose the budget you would like to reset from the list. Once you've opened your budget, go back to the circle at the top left again and bring up this pop-up menu. Now click on Settings and Privacy in the pop-up. Click on Make a Fresh Start and click on Make a Fresh Start once again to confirm, and you will be able to reset your YNAB budget. Remember that fresh starting will clear most data from your budget. It'll create a new budget with a clean slate while preserving some information, but remember that it erases transaction history and category, your account balances, and it might also require re-entering your current account balances after you do that. If you want to go back to your original budget, you can go to the top left and tap on the three dots, tap on Open Budgets, and select your archived budgets from the list to view your original budget. So that is how you can easily reset your YNAB budget in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.